Okay, so we're going to pick it up on page 541. 541, they talk about the X-line command, which I never use. I just draw a regular line, so that was just L enter, and then come up here. As I give it a minute to catch up, I just want to catch that end point of that line or that intersection right there. I want to come straight down. I need to draw a perfectly straight line, so I'm going to hit F8 on the keyboard to turn ortho on, come down about that far, and then I'm good. I have that line. It's not an X line, it's a regular line, but that's fine. So then I just want to do the copy command, which again is different from what the book talks about. The book talks about some kind of copy command for the X line. Enter to just click on that one, enter to select it, and then grab your starting point. Now in my case I've got too many snaps going, so I'm going to shift right click and just make sure I get only the intersection. I want the intersection right there. Bam, that's my base point. And then on page 543 there on figure 10.8, there's a diagram that shows all the different places you need to put this line. The first one is the outside roof line. That's one. Then you got to catch both sides of the window. That's 2 and 3. Then you've got this roof line here again. That's 4. Corner of the wall is 5. Here's 6 over here. Coming down to the roof line again for 7. Panning over. 8 and 9 are the sides of that window. 10 is the side of the building itself, and 11 is out here. Then hit escape, and if you zoom back you see you got a whole bunch of lines. Now none of these lines are going to need to go past this bottom line, so let's TR enter and make that our face, and then go on right side to left side so we get a green select window. Do that. That trims them up that way. Escape, TR again to select this one, and let's get rid of all of those. So now we have a clearer idea of what this elevation is going to shape up as. Now they tell us in the book to extend the ridge line, and then the top, you remember we've got a fascia board here that's basically the top roof line and the bottom roof line. So we just want to EX for extend, and we want to go to this one and to this one. Enter, and we want the ones we want to extend out are that one and that one, and then these top 3, 1, 2, 3, coming over here, 1, 2, and 3, and then hit escape, and then over here escape a couple of times. I'm going to do a TR enter and just grab the top and the bottom of the roof. That's the ridge point, and then the bottom of the fascia, and hit enter and just get all 4 tails off of here. So we start to get a sense of what this elevation is going to look like. We still have a lot of work to do, but that's starting to come together. Now the best thing I can tell you about all of these lines that are left is to look at page 549 on figure 10.15 and make sure, or try to just make it look like that by using the trim command and so on and so forth. The first thing you're going to want to do is figure out where this notch is. So you got a roof line here and you got a roof line here, and in between there is where it's going to follow that roof line down to the lower, go across for the pop out, and then back up. So we can do a trim, TR enter, and then select the lines that are directly below the roof. So that's that one and that's that one, and hit enter, and the upper roof needs to come out of there. and actually the window can come out of there too. Leaving the lower roof, leave the lower roof, window can come out of there. Now the lower roof we want to cut out the other side. Leave this and take out that. That starts to look a little bit better as to what that is going to look like. So then I want to go TR again and hit that one and trim back that one and that one. And again, the only thing that I'm doing essentially is looking at figure 10.15 and trimming back until I get it right. So if I zoom in here a little bit, I can TR or trim that one, and trim those back, and that starts to look pretty good. Actually, I can trim those back and those back as well, and don't know why that guy's still there. TR again, just trying to focus on figure A or figure 10.15 on page 549. Obviously this is a window, this is a window. We can come over here and just do a TR, enter, which means everybody's a fence, and just start taking off the extra things that we don't want. I left some fragmented lines there I'll have to go back and get. Trim that back to there. Back to there. Now I can't trim those lines, I'll have to erase those. So let's click there and delete those. And let's take these two lines and put them on that A elevation glaze layer. There we go, that's looking pretty sharp. And then essentially all I want to do is make the other window look precisely and exactly like that. So I'm going to come over here and come in here and just do a TR, enter, and start peeling off the lines that I don't want. Saves myself some time and maybe come up here and work my way down instead of leaving fragmented lines there. And then hit escape and take these two lines and put them on that A elevation glaze and hit escape, and there I'm starting to make some progress as to getting this look like a proper elevation. Looks like on A15 page 549 I need to do a TR, enter, select that as my fence, take that off, and that's looking good. I also need to TR again, that is a fence, enter, come in here and work my way down. I want that gone, and where'd the other one go? Yeah, over here. Take that one back to there, and I think what I have there looks very, very similar to A15 on page 549. I believe so. About the only thing I need to work on is I think I have some of these on the wrong layers. I've got cyan colors and green colored lines, and I don't think they're all on the right layers, but I can work on that. I have the geometry correct.